BOPP Laminated Bag Price is a major consideration for importers, wholesalers, and brand owners sourcing packaging for rice, animal feed, fertilizer, and chemical products. In reality, pricing is not fixed and depends on several technical specifications and order conditions. 1. Bag size and load capacity. Bag size and load capacity have the most direct impact on BOPP laminated bag price. Common options such as 20 kilograms, 25 kilograms, and 50 kilograms require different amounts of PP woven fabric and BOPP film. Larger and heavier duty bags consume more raw materials, resulting in higher costs. 2. PP fabric GSM and BOPP lamination. The GSM of the PP woven fabric and the thickness of the BOPP lamination determine the bag's strength, moisture resistance, and durability. Higher GSM specifications provide better protection, but also increase the BOPP laminated bag price. 3. Printing and design. BOPP laminated bags with gravure printing, multicolor artwork, and custom logos are more expensive than plain bags. Premium printing enhances brand visibility and is widely preferred in export and competitive retail markets. 4. Top hemming method. The top finishing method also affects pricing. Heat-cut tops are cost-effective, prevent fabric fraying, and suit automated filling and high-volume orders. Sewn tops offer extra strength for heavy-duty use, but require additional labor, leading to a higher BOPP laminated bag price. 5. Order quantity. Bulk orders significantly reduce unit cost. Larger quantities allow manufacturers to optimize production efficiency and offer more competitive pricing. How to get an accurate BOPP laminated bag price. To receive an accurate quotation, buyers should provide bag size, load capacity, application, printing requirements, top hemming method, and order quantity. Clear specifications help suppliers deliver stable quality and factory direct pricing. Contact us for competitive pricing, free samples, and OEM customization.